friend namin. Uy, uy, Joy yan. Uy. Good luck. Good luck, my dear. Sige. Magbotol ka pa kinabang ang tao. Pak, shit. Bini. Uy, we miss you. Kulang kami. Harap kami.
Mr. Christian Grabador, our talented guide officer from the Hospitality Management Junior Society. Let's give him a round of applause.
Alam kong mali. Kaya
Please join me in giving a warm welcome to the exceptional area chairperson of the College of Education and Computing Studies, Mr. Christopher S. Sikat. Let's give him a round of applause.
Palakpakan naman natin ang Mexico campus. Alam sa kanina, ang year na daw kayo. Third year. Ako na vice of the next year bigla.
thank you once again, and we all continue to champion because of equality and inclusivity in our communities and beyond.
Again, I am Joyce Nicoles.
Finally, end our event. Let's stand together in solidarity as we sing the Dove School Hymn.
Tapos namin, guys. Update. Natapos namin. Made it. Galing! Proud ako sa'yo. Nagstay ka.